G'day, I've been called out to a granny flat here to an address at Rooty Hill to install a lateral cable from the PCD or the Maddison box, a category 6 cable run it down under the house. We take the side panel off, run it down under the house, take it up to the floor underneath to keep it off the ground, and we'll bring it up inside the granny flat, and we'll fit a socket all ready for so they can get their ADSL service connected, as NBN HFC is not available here in this area till around April to May of 2020. Okay, so now we're underneath the house, and as you can see, I don't know if you can see up there, but it's pretty tight fit. So what we've done, we've drilled a hole in the house, in the floor where it's going to go, and I don't know if you can see that there. There's an orange string just hanging down in the background, right about there in the middle of the frame. So we've got a telescopic pole to hopefully help us out to get. So we've used our telescopic rod, and we've hooked our drawstring there. As you can see, runs up there. You can see it going up in the floor up there. There's no way we'd be able to fit to get up there, but just by drilling a hole in the floor and dropping a string down, and with our telescopic non-inductive rod, we've been able to grab the draw line, pull it out to where we want to do. We'll attach the CAT6 cable to it, and if all goes well, we'll pull it up to where the client wants their socket to be put. So now we've got the cable in, fitted off and cleaned up, and all ready to go for an ADSL connection.